Welcome to a demonstration of Application Jukebox from Endeavors Technologies. This video focuses on the player component of the technology, which is the client used by the end user to stream and virtualize applications down to their PC. The player is responsible for streaming, virtualizing, and managing applications on a user's desktop. Application Jukebox is offered in two flavors, Enterprise Edition and SaaS Software as a Service Edition. The Enterprise Edition ties nicely into Group Policy and Active Directory, where the SaaS Edition integrates within a web portal delivering applications via a wide area network such as the Internet. Today we will be demonstrating the SaaS Edition using the built-in SaaS portal. I will be showcasing our technology on a new Windows Vista OS with only our Jukebox Player pre-installed. As you can see in the Start menu, there are no other applications currently installed. On the desktop, I have placed three files, a Visio file, a Word document containing a Visio object, and a Word document containing an Excel object. As you can see, these files are not currently associated to any applications. After a user logs in to the SaaS portal, they will be presented with a list of applications they can instantly launch. You will soon see how quickly this technology can deliver an application to the desktop and have the user up and running. The first application we will stream is Microsoft Office 2007. Before I click on this launch button and let the magic happen, let me explain what is going to happen in the background. When I roam over the launch button, you can see in the status bar the JavaScript code being executed. The portal is passing the Application Jukebox server two things, the username and the application ID number. When the server receives this, a couple things will happen simultaneously. The server checks to see if this user has the rights to launch this application, if there are enough tokens remaining in the license pool, and if the application requires any new patches. If it's a go, it will download a token to the user's machine. The player will pick up this token and immediately start streaming the application from the server. The way we can deliver applications so quickly is by only buffering 20 to 30% of the application in the initial burst and streaming the rest of it on demand as the user uses the application. Once the application is buffered, the Jukebox Player will start to virtualize the application. During this stage, it is mapping the content held in our encrypted cache to files and directories on the user's machine. It is also doing a registry overlay of all the registry entries Microsoft Office uses, meaning we don't actually write to the physical registry, but to a virtual overlay. Once the application is ready, we can see that the file associations have changed on the desktop and the icons have been placed in the Start menu. To the end user, this will look and feel like the applications have been traditionally installed. Let's say a coworker of mine emails me a Word file with an embedded Visio object. By double-clicking on the Word file, I will open Microsoft Word and see a Visio object embedded inside. If I try to edit this document, I will quickly learn that this option is not available to me because I do not have Visio installed. Instead of contacting the IT department or trying to figure out how to obtain Visio, I can simply go back to the SaaS portal and stream Microsoft Visio. After Visio has been streamed and virtualized, I can reopen this document. This time when I right-click on the image, Word will give me the option to edit or open the Visio object. I can choose to edit and Visio will open within Word. This also demonstrates two individual virtual applications coexisting and integrating with one another. After I've made my changes, I can click out of Visio and the changes will be kept in my Word document. I can now save my document and email it back to my coworker. If I am finished using these applications, I can click Remove and watch them instantly vanish from my machine, leaving nothing behind. The final feature I would like to demonstrate is Application Jukebox's ability to hotfix or patch an application. For this, I will launch Adobe Reader. As you may already be aware, a traditionally installed Adobe Reader can take significant time and network resources to upgrade to a newer subversion. First, you must download the new version, then fully uninstall the current version, then install the new version, and finally optimize it, a process many of us tend to avoid. I will demonstrate how quickly and painlessly, using our technology, we can upgrade from Adobe Reader 8.0.0 to 8.1.0. As you can see, I'm currently running version 8.0.0. Now on the server side, the administrator can apply the patch to the existing Adobe Reader package and make the patch a forced upgrade. The next time the user goes to run the application, they will be prompted with a warning that a new patch is available and will be applied at this time. All that is streamed down is the delta between versions 8.0.0 and 8.1.0, and that is why it can happen so quickly. This is an effective way to ensure your users are staying current with patches, especially those of critical priority. We can verify that the new version is now 8.1.0. These are just some of the benefits of using Application Jukebox technology. Thank you for your time. If you require any more information, please don't hesitate to contact us or visit our website at www.endeavors.com.